Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ghost Hunter game. First, find the game's icon, usually on your desktop or in your Start menu. Give it a quick double-click to begin the launch process. If it's your first time, the game might need a moment to load initial files. Always check your system specifications to ensure a seamless experience before diving into the paranormal. Before you can hunt ghosts, ensure the game is properly installed. If you're using a disc, follow the on-screen prompts. For digital copies, download from your platform. Crucially, let the game complete any updates. This often takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on your internet speed. Verifying files can also resolve many common launch problems, ensuring everything is in its right place. Sometimes, a game might not open on the first try. A common fix is to right-click the icon and select Run as Administrator, which grants necessary permissions. Also, ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers are a frequent cause of launch failures. Finally, close any unnecessary background programs, as they can sometimes interfere with the game's startup process, freeing up valuable system resources. Once your Ghost Hunter game successfully launches, take a moment to optimize your experience. Head into the Settings menu to adjust graphics. Finding the right balance between visual quality and performance is key. Customize your audio and controls to feel comfortable and responsive. Many games offer a helpful tutorial or an initial mission, which is a great way to learn the ropes before facing your first spectral encounter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.